Okay, good evening everyone, and in this video I want to show you about the user agreement because I got a comment from our viewer. He asked me about the without user agreement app are not downloading, and he asked me to help. Maybe he's faced with this problem, just like I show you on the screen here. So now I go to the home page, and then when we go to YouTube, and then the user agreement will show up on the TV like this. So the first thing I want you to try is just follow this, press the upper bottom, and then you can see the red point is point, so you just press selection here and tick only for the red, and then you go press down until you see agree, and then just press select again, and now you can agree all the user agreement, so you no need to do any setting or setup. So secondly, if this process is not helping you, so you need to do the second step. So now just follow my instruction. You press the setting here, setting bottom, and then you can see some setting. Go down and go to all setting. Then you just go to general, press the right arrow and go to location. For here is not much matter, just go to LG service country and then select it, and now for my recommend, just press set it to automatically, so you no need to care about any country that you need to always agree with the user agreement, and then just press right button and press yes, and your TV is now restarting. And now you can go to YouTube and then select wait a minute, and it still asks you to agree, so you need to do one agree like I show you at the first time, and still need to agree. Okay, and I think that's all for today's video about the user agreement problem with your LG Smart TV. And no matter you change the country or change any LG service location, you need to agree with the user agreement. So just a simple thing, do what I show in the first time. So if your problem still happen again, so please let me know in the comment box below. I will try to find another way for you, especially for the viewer that comment on my previous video, and I hope this video will help him to solve his problem. Okay, and that's all for today, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.